Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Zenith Minds Academy and welcome to day 3 of our 7 days writing challenge. Today we are going to write my introduction. What my introduction? I will write my introduction first and then you will write your own introduction with me. So take out your notebook and pencil, sit properly and let's begin. My name is Alicia Gulzar. I am 23 years old. I am an English teacher. I teach students with love and care. Full stop. I help children improve their English and and writing. Now it's your turn. Write your own introduction by changing the name and class. Remember, write slowly, keep your letters neat, leave proper spacing between words, and follow the lines carefully. Practice this introduction at least 3 times today. The more you practice, the more beautiful your handwriting will become. If you enjoyed today's lesson, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and fellow Zenith Minds Academy for more English learning and handwriting practice. See you in day 4. Allah Hafiz. Fi Allah.